Hey MCCers, Will here to talk about the agenda for the intermediate class for next week. That's Tuesday and Thursday, Tuesday the 10th and Thursday the 12th. So next week our big topic is law. On Tuesday, the first round, like usual, is going to be a vocabulary round. So go through the vocabulary with your teacher and make sure you understand it all. Second round, you've got an article to read. It's about a hospital worker in Norway being fired for speaking Polish, which was her native tongue. Third round, you're going to talk about discrimination. What do you know about it? What do you think about it? And that's going to be a record the student round. Then after a break, we're going to get ready for a final project. It's going to be a team versus team debate. And the topic to debate is going to be that every student should have to speak English in school in Canada. So half of you are going to be forced to argue yes, and half of you are going to be forced to argue no. I get to decide who. Ha ha ha. So round 4 is going to be preparing for that. 20 minutes one-on-one with your teacher, and then about 10 minutes with the rest of your side of the argument, and then we get together and debate. On Thursday, the first round is going to be an article round. It's about happy birthday to you being in a court case because of copyright. So read the article with your teacher, make sure you understand it, and then discuss the article. Round 2, you're going to discuss which side you agree with in that article. So do you agree that it should be copyrighted or public domain? Round 3, you're going to discuss the strangest court cases you've ever heard of. What were the details? Who was involved? You don't need to know the names. It's okay to use pronouns and descriptive adjectives. And that would actually be a really good practice for pronouns and adjectives. So give it a try. And then as a final project, we're going to do a short presentation. This is going to be very creative. What you're going to do is you're going to try to convince us that you hold the copyright for something very common, like a toaster or a very common song. So round 4, you're going to prepare with your teacher, and then round 5, we'll get together and we'll see whether you can convince us that you own the copyright. So that's what we're going to do next week. Have a great weekend.